Hi, I'm a Microsoft MVP from Japan. This is snowy Shirakawago, Japan. Now use this image. You can see the whole scene, but it feels flat. Prepare 5 rectangles in a 16:9 ratio. Place the rectangles in front of the image. Duplicate the slide 5 times. On the first slide, keep only the left rectangle. Delete the others. On the second slide, keep only the second rectangle from the left. Repeat the same steps for the remaining slides. Be careful not to make mistakes, since this step is repetitive. Make sure to select the image first, then the rectangle. Under Merge Shapes, select Intersect. Only the overlapping part is extracted. Align it to the center and middle of the slide. Scale it from the center to fill the slide. Repeat the same steps for the remaining slides. This step is also repetitive. If you use a command repeatedly, add it to the Quick Access toolbar. Now the work is complete. Select slides 2 through 5. Under Transitions, select Push. Under Effect Options, select from right. Set the duration to 1.75 seconds. Now let's see it in slideshow mode. This is the beautiful Shirakawago in winter. You can present a panorama photo dynamically like this. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.